Today's video will be all about Zion. She is 4 years old and she likes to get her hair braided. She has recently got into wanting to wear colors, like one of her favorite little characters called Rainbow Ruby. Yes, that's her you hear in the background, of course. So if you want to see how we came up with this, stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome back. As I stated in the intro, today's video is going to be all about Zion. I'm doing her hair in this cute little braided ponytail with her choice of color, which is blue. She's really into colors. I think this is very, toddler friendly, child friendly, very innocent. So if you want to see how we came up with this style, continue to watch and I hope you enjoy. If you want to see more, you know what to do. You like blue?
Yeah. Yes. That pack.
What's blue right here?
Yeah, that. Yeah.
Say, let's get started.
Let's get started.
This is our hair of choice. It is Spectra and this beautiful blue hue color. It is so boldly blue. Hair is very soft. It says it's antibacterial, but I will still soak it if your scalp is sensitive. Zion has eczema, so I will definitely soak it. So go ahead and do that if your scalp and your skin is extremely sensitive to synthetic hair. I'm just going to say that. But overall, she really enjoyed this style. Alright everyone, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as Zion did. This is one of her favorite colors to wear. She's actually still wearing it. This one pack was enough to do, I think, like 5 styles because her head is so little. We did not leave the hair loose like this. They're going to be in little ninja buns, which is best for her. Now, if you want for your baby or toddler, you can leave it down. But I think it's just a little bit too long, honestly. Maybe too hot, so we did put them up. So I hope you enjoyed. If you want to see more content like this, just come on back, subscribe, hit the like button, share it if you think it'll be beneficial, and enjoy the rest of the video. See you guys in the next one. Bye.
Bye bye.
See you later.
I love you.